From holograms that pop out of thin air, to glasses that could replace your smartphone, to drones no bigger than a mosquito, these are the wildest futuristic inventions you'll wish you already owned. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll either want to sell your car or maybe your kidney. Let's get started. First up, real holograms. Forget Zoom calls. Imagine your friend literally appearing in your living room, minus the awkward background filter with a cat face. Companies like Looking Glass and Holobox are already building displays that project jaw-dropping 3D images you can see from every angle, no glasses required. Video calls, gaming, advertising. Suddenly it feels like Star Wars is just Tuesday. Next, AR glasses. These could replace your smartphone entirely. Picture this. Instead of pulling a phone out of your pocket, your texts, maps, and even Netflix float right in front of your eyes. No more cracked screens, no more digging through your bag. Though, to be fair, you will look like that one person talking to themselves on the street. Apple, Nreal, and others are working on it right now. And some say AR glasses could kill the smartphone in less than 10 years. Which is a little sad, because I just bought a new one last month. Micro drones. Now let's shrink things down. Meet the micro drones. They're the size of insects, but packed with technology. They can fly through tiny gaps, explore collapsed buildings, or act as mini spy cameras. Some even mimic bees and dragonflies for stability. Just imagine hundreds of robotic bugs buzzing around. Cool in a lab, terrifying at a picnic. Moonwalkers. On the ground, we've got Moonwalkers, aka the world's fastest shoes. Slip them on, and you'll walk 250% faster. They're basically like strapping a moving walkway to your feet. Great for catching the bus. Terrible if you're trying to sneak into the kitchen at midnight. Powered by AI, they learn your stride and then accelerate it, rolling smoothly over bumps, cracks, and puddles like magic. Jetpack. But walking is boring. Let's talk about flying. This Iron Man-style jetpack is powered by 5 turbo engines, pushing out over 1,000 horsepower. That's more than a Formula One car. But instead of racing, you're hovering like a superhero. Top speed, 80 miles per hour. Max height, higher than 8 Empire State Buildings. Price, $2,000 for a single flight, which is either amazing or the most expensive Uber ride you'll ever take. Haptic gloves. Virtual reality is cool, but touching it? That's next level. With haptic gloves, you can actually feel virtual objects. Grab a digital ball, and it feels solid. Pick up a sword, and you sense its weight. Imagine gaming where you can finally feel like a real Jedi. Just don't smack your TV while swinging. It's also a game changer for training, education, and even remote work. And finally, hover bikes. Yes, the speeder bikes from Star Wars are basically real now. Turismo has built working prototypes that hover a few feet above the ground. Perfect for skipping traffic, unless everyone else gets one too. Then we'll just have traffic jams in the sky. They're loud, expensive, and not exactly legal everywhere. But hey, it's proof the future is here. So there you have it. Holograms, AR glasses, micro drones, jetpacks, hover bikes, and more. The future is coming faster than ever, and honestly, I'm not sure if I'm excited or slightly terrified. But hey, if this video sparked your curiosity, then do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to spark your mind. It only takes a second, and unlike a jetpack ride, it's completely free. And I'd really appreciate it if you give some extra hype and share our channel with your friends. Who knows? Next time we might actually be reviewing time machines, and you wouldn't want to miss that, right?